Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Yaksha and today I'm back with another new video for you, and I upload videos every Monday and Friday sharp at 8:30 p.m. to stay tuned. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Without any further ado, let's get on to the video. Today we're going to see the 28th chapter, which is formation of words. So let's get started. We have many groups in which we can classify how the words are formed. So first let's see the first one, which is compound words. Compound words means the words which are formed by joining two or more words together. Now let's see the examples of this compound words. So we have many examples which are moonlight, which is formed by moon, which is the first word, plus light, which is the second word. Then we have undertake. Under is the first word, plus take, which is the second word. So we have many examples for this. So we will see the next type of word now. Which type we have? Primary derivatives. That is, the primary derivatives are formed by making some change in the body of the simple words. When we have normal body, like cool, this is a word. Heel. Now we HEEL, heel. So now the primary derivatives of this is chill, like you're modifying the actual body, and heel is heel, HEAL. You are modifying the body of the example. We have it cool and head, heel. We have many more. We will see them later. Now let's continue. Then guys, we have secondary derivatives. So these secondary derivatives are formed by adding something at before the word or after the word. Let's take after, and you have by adding something before it, by adding something after it, you are going to get the secondary derivatives. So now let's see the example. We have like this is called this before, the word you add before is called prefix, and the word you add after is called suffix. As we have seen in the last video, I have mentioned about suffix. Now let's see a few examples of this secondary derivatives. So guys, as the first one we saw, compound has more three types in it, which is compound noun, then we have compound adjectives, and then we have compound verb. And in these as well, in noun there are 7 types, in adjectives there are 3 types, and in verb also we have 3 types. Now let's see about the compound noun first. So guys, in compound noun the first 3 are compound noun can be formed by adding noun and a noun. It can be formed adding adjective and a noun. It can be formed by adding verb and a noun. Now let's see the next type. So guys, the next four are gerund plus noun, adverb or preposition. P is for preposition, guys. And adverb or preposition plus noun, verb plus adjective. That means verb is the first one and the second is adverb. Here the fourth one is first is adverb and second is verb. Don't think these both are same. They are not, because here verb comes first and here comes adverb second, and in the next one adverbs come first and verb comes second. So it is not at all same. So don't get confused in this, guys. Now let's see about compound adjectives. So guys, as I said, in compound adjective we only have three types. So the first one is noun plus adjective. The second one is adjective plus adjective, and the third one is adverb plus participle, which could be past or present. It could be anything, but adverb plus participle. So now let's see compound adverb. Guys, I'm sorry that I told you it's adverb, but it's not, it's verb. So let's continue. So now we are going to see about compound verb. It also has three types only. So the first one is noun plus verb. Then the second one is adjective plus verb, and the third one is adverb plus verb. Now we are going to see about primary derivations. Now let's see about them. So guys, as I said, we were going to see the primary derivations, but my camera's battery was like dead, so this I'm shooting with my phone. So I'm sorry that I can't show you that in today's video, but for sure we'll get it on the Monday's video that I'm going to upload. And if you like this videos, click on the like button, share my videos to others so that they can also enjoy learning English and find it learning easy as well. And subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and let's meet in our next video. Thanks for watching.